Alam ba yan? 200 na ba yan? At bigay ni boss lahat. Sige, let's go! Come on, boss! Let's go! As soon as the video starts, start na po. Pero testing mo muna. Okay? Kaya? Yan na, go na. Go, go! Oh, yun oh.
Let's start our rolling now.
Ayun sana kayo oh.
Two
Kaya lang, nasa Maynila kayo eh.
session. Ensure steady breath.
Yan.
Perform the movements with a sense of fluidity and
Okay, pag dito yan, ang baho niyan, di ba?
ground both feet in the middle. Push straight with both legs. And keep
Let's go! Pulang!
gently bend the knee.
Wala, nagre-nervyoso ni Sir, oh.
Seryoso na to. Bembang ang gusto nito. Let's go! Let's go! 30 seconds to go. Yan, consistent lang. Wala ma'am, talo ka dito. Yan. Bembang ka. Kada lagpas, times 10 yan.
Ako, Sir.
Lagpas na.
Tulog ka talaga.
And, okay. 242. Yan.